Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Getaway with Pam. Today I got a package from an Amazon seller. So these are two diamond painting patterns that I got. And so we're gonna unbox, review, and let's see what's inside and say something about it. And I'll show you also how to start a diamond painting hobby. Okay, so let's start by opening this box. So I got two of them, two patterns. So let's see this one first. Okay, so they usually come with the pattern itself. This is mermaid, and then it comes with this and the beads or the diamonds. Now let's check the other one. This one is a big one. I've already have some diamond paintings that I did in the last 6 months. I think it's 6 months to 8 months ago, and I gave them away. When I was done, I gave them away. So it comes with this, and then this is the pattern. This is the pattern. This is it's a flowering 3. So this is really big compared to this one. Look at the difference. But this is colorful, right? Okay. In the plastic first, because I'm gonna show you this one, the little one, to start with. I'm gonna show you how to start. And this could be your hobby, like what I do. The first time I saw this one to a friend's house, I'm like, oh, I really want to do this, because I had some cross stitching that I did in the past, but I think this is better than the cross stitching. I mean, it's easier than cross stitching. You want to make sure that you put this in the same bag so you don't mess up. All right, I'm gonna show you one of my cross stitch that I did in the past. This is one of my cross stitches in the past that I did for a year. Yes, this one. I did this in 2002. In 2002, when I first got here in the US. So that is, so I'm gonna put it on the side, and this is always my inspiration when I do a hobby. So let's start with this one. So I want to make sure that this is flat, and then these are the diamonds. Oh, nice. Comes with this one. I like this, like accessories. So this one has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 diamond beads. So this will be really easy. So on the side, where it shows table here, you have the numbers here. That's the number that should match to your diamond beads. And then the symbol goes across it. So let's say number 10. I'm gonna do number 10. Where's number 10? Oh. The red, this one, the red circle. Circle there, number 10, is this one. So anything that has red circle like this, those are gonna be for this one. This one. Those, and those. You want to make sure that you have your own system of, you know, organization, so they don't, it will be easy for you to do all this thing. So you have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure only do one color at a time. That's what I think will be making it easy for you. Show you also the other stuff that I used. Like I have a big tray for the beads with this one. This is later on. You can get this later on. It doesn't come with the basic package. I have this. This usually is included in a pack, but I don't know why I don't get it on this one. Then I bought a special pen, and then when I'm done with the beads, I will brush it and then use a glue to seal so it won't fall out. And then I make sure I have a bowl so I can put all this stuff in here so they don't go everywhere. Okay guys, I have a light here. This is a night light because it's getting dark now. It's 5 p.m. You want to have enough light so it won't hurt your eyes. This part first, because I want to work on this one first. You do by sectioning. I think it is better if you do by sectioning and you don't go all the way, because this is sticky. So you are gonna stick the beads on this. See, I want to do the symbol X first, which is the number 3. Throw some of the beads here. Don't put them all. And then shake, shake, shake. So it will lay flat there. Would be easy for you to pick up. And then I should be able to pick up what I want, what I need. And put this on the letter, on the X, on the symbol X. Each one of them. So that's how you'll do it. Oops. Oopsie. See, I can use this one if I have a mistake. And so this one is big, so I can just stick it there. I don't need this one because this is, you know, smaller than the beads. Just common sense, you know, right there. So that's it for now, guys. I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna continue doing this on my spare time, but for now I'm just gonna do my job as on my unboxing. But later on I will show you the finished product. Usually if I do this straight in one day, this is 30 by 30 centimeter. This usually takes me 15 hours to do. But since I have a full-time job and I still do my YouTube editing, you know, creating videos and editing, you know, guys, I do everything myself. So from making video and editing and finding other YouTubers to watch my blog, I am so really busy. So but sometimes I can squeeze my time, like if I'm really bored and I feel like doing nothing else but a hobby, then I would do this. There was one time I did the same size I did for 3 nights, probably I think it was 3 to 4 nights, this size. So after dinner and before I go to bed, that's about 4 hours. Okay, so that's it for now, and I hope you learned something on this vlog. And if you are one of those who likes or looking for something to do on your spare time, or you really you want to be occupied, you're stressed, you are looking for a hobby, that's it, then maybe you want to do this one, right? So this company is giving me these 2 products to review and a coupon code. So if you guys are willing to start this, just click the link on the description below and there you go. You can pick any patterns that you like. They have thousands of patterns that you can pick. All right, so I'll see you again soon, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.